It's dangerous?
Yeah.
Hopefully there will be a lot of fish, but the sun is out and it hasn't been raining today yet. We made it! The water I've never seen so clear before.
You should all definitely visit the Philippines.
Yes, champs, today is the day we're gonna go island hopping. We are in El Nido at Coron beach and it's a stunning day. We couldn't get a better day than this. We had overcast, rainy days. Luck is on our side. Champs, I hope you're excited. Let's go! We're booking this tour through Beachfront Travel Tours and we have 4 choices. Pretty much everywhere here in El Nido they offering these packages A, B, C or D. They make it easy for you to choose from. We chose for C, but we only could do this if the weather is good. Typhoon season started already a little while ago and we were really lucky with this weather, really lucky with this weather, so we can do this. Tour C, we're gonna go to 5 different spots. I'm gonna show you the beauty of Palawan, the beauty of the islands around Palawan. We're actually walking to the boat. Our guide is saying that there might be white sharks here as well. I'm not sure if he's joking.
This one is so dangerous.
It's dangerous?
Yeah.
So if I touch this, no good?
No good.
Ah, okay. Let's just leave it. You're gonna leave it?
But not here. So
is it?
we're gonna go this way.
Okay. Hopefully it's just one. Can't believe that we are walking around in the water and there's a box jellyfish.
Like that.
Hello everyone. Hello, how are you? I'm saying hello everyone, but it's only 7 of us on the boat. We have kind of a private tour. I'm sure we're getting along with everyone, so it's gonna be a good day. First viewpoint, Coron. We're actually just on the boat right now. We're heading off. The motor is gonna make some sounds. It's gonna be a bit loud. So yeah, let's put some music on, show you around the drive, leaving Palawan behind to do this island tour. Let's go. After a 40-minute ride, we are at our first destination, Secret Beach. I almost fell in the water there. We have to swim for the last few meters. That's just behind these rocks. It's not so secret anymore. We're not alone, there's another boat waiting there. But we're gonna check it out, Secret Beach. Whoa! Ah, wow! Thank you! Oh, we made it! Woohoo! And we are at Secret Beach. No wonder it's called Secret Beach, because you have to go through that little hole right there. And especially when the sea is wild, this is something that is quite dangerous to do, but we were lucky. We're only here for half an hour and then we carry on. Champs, if you are watching now and you're thinking of coming to the Philippines, this is the time. Because of the pandemic and all that, there's not many people here. You basically have a private experience at the moment, so that will hopefully change in the next few years again, back to normal. But definitely right now is the time to come to the Philippines. Secret Beach, this was our first stop. Let's go to our second stop. We still got 4 to go. We were the only one, but hello! Hello! Welcome to the Philippines! Yay! On our way to our second destination, we're gonna go snorkeling. We're taking the camera down in this blue water, the crystal blue water. Champs, this is what the Philippines is also famous for. The fish, the water, diving. We're not gonna dive today, we're just gonna get some snorkels. And yeah, hopefully there will be a lot of fish, but the sun is out and it hasn't been raining today yet. So the water is really clear. A little bit later this episode, we're gonna chat with Yeser. He's from Turkey, a tourist as well in the Philippines. We're just gonna ask him if he enjoyed the Philippines. He's almost at the end of this trip and gonna see also what his best experiences are here in the Philippines. There we go, champs. The water I've never seen so clear before. This is something else. We're in such a beautiful surroundings as well. And not so much fish, like I was hoping for a little bit more fish, but it's still a beautiful experience. We're glad we can share this with you. I hope you're still enjoying this ride. I'm pretty sure we're gonna grab some lunch after this one, but let's crack on a little bit more. Maybe we find some more new fish. We're gonna have some lunch here. We're gonna talk to Yesser, the Turkish tourist, I should call him. He likes to talk to us a little bit about the Philippines, how his experiences were traveling throughout the Philippines. I think he's been to Boracay, he's been to Palawan, Manila, so we can learn a little bit of him as well. Hopefully hang out with us a little longer before we finish this episode. We've got chicken, fish, prawns, mussels, pork. We've got the whole lot, champs. Let's have some lunch. Why are you in the Philippines, and how long have you been here?
I have been planning this trip 3 years ago.
Yeah.
But after that, pandemic has started.
Yeah.
That's why I postponed my vacation.
Yeah.
Till now. I'm enjoying Philippines so far. It's amazing country, really. There are many islands worth to visit.
Yeah.
I just been some of them.
When did you arrive?
For 10 days, I've been here.
Okay.
Yeah, I've been in Oslo and Boracay. I spent my days in there. Yeah. Especially Boracay is one of the best places. Yes.
We are skipping that in this time. This time we are in the Philippines. This is our first time. We're gonna have to come back to the Philippines soon.
Yeah.
To explore Boracay as well, I think.
And definitely go to Puka Beach.
Puka Beach?
Yeah.
Okay.
The best one is Puka Beach.
This is the second time you're doing a boat trip from El Nido.
Yeah.
How have you been yesterday and today? Are you enjoying it?
Yeah, both of them is amazing.
Yeah. What's the best of your trip so far? What you've seen or taste or?
I think swimming with wild shark.
Wow.
Yeah, that's the most amazing thing I have ever done in Philippines. Cool. And I am pretty sure I will come back Philippines again. Yeah. It's not last time.
Hey mate, do you have a message to the world or some wisdom to pass on?
You should all definitely visit the Philippines and enjoy your time in here. And greetings from Istanbul.
Okay. Thank you, man. Thank you for watching till the very end. If you enjoyed this video, please consider to hit the like button. That helps the channel, helps us to carry on doing this. Bit of motivation. Also, if you enjoy this content, subscribe to the channel if you want to see some more travel vlogs. We're also meeting a lot of interesting people along the way. I would like to say from a beautiful beach in the Philippines, just a few kilometers off the coast of Palawan, bye for now and stay champ.